Welcome to Dr. Dolittle Educational Pet Series. Kennel cough is a highly contagious respiratory disease in dogs, caused mainly by Bordetella bronchoseptica and canine parainfluenza virus. It spreads through airborne droplets, direct contact, or contaminated surfaces, especially in high-density environments like kennels and dog parks. Symptoms include a dry, hacking cough, sneezing, nasal discharge, and in some cases, lethargy or loss of appetite. While rarely fatal in healthy adult dogs, it can lead to pneumonia in puppies and immunocompromised pets. Vaccination and good hygiene practices are key to prevention and controlling outbreaks. Act early, protect their life with timely immunization. Contact us for available offers and packages.